Hi everyone! Welcome back again to Inside Home YouTube channel. In this video, you will see an extraordinary home where every detail speaks volumes. From the interplay of textures to the seamless blend of elevated design elements, this space is a masterpiece of storytelling through style. It is a portion of a grand hall or entryway that the floor is covered with large, dark gray/black rectangular tiles. Built-in dark cabinetry with glass shelving creates a display area. Decor items, including small sculptures and vases, are on the shelves. A curved staircase with ornate black metal railings dominates the view, with a sleek white scooter tucked beneath it. A black wall-mounted candle holder is seen on one wall. White trim is visible around the walls and doorways. The overall impression is of a high-end, contemporary design. Now you see a grand entryway with a curved staircase where the foyer exudes charm with its crisp off-white walls and a cathedral-style beamed ceiling adorned by a striking dark metal chandelier. Sunlight streams through three high, diamond-patterned leaded glass windows, illuminating the space. A vintage-style scooter rests by the light brown wooden door with a decorative transom. The overall impression is of a spacious, elegant, and well-appointed entryway in a high-end home. It is a modern dining room with gray wainscoting walls and dark tropical wallpaper. Black tile floor. White vintage scooter parked under staircase. Black glass dining table. Modern gray chairs. Architectural photography. High-end interior design. A stylish black shelving unit showcases various decorative items, including colorful books, a unique bear figurine, and a red book against a dark backdrop. Below, a sleek cabinet with round handles holds additional items, while soft lighting illuminates the shelves. In the background, a staircase with a decorative railing leads to another area of the home. The floor features polished black tiles, enhancing the modern aesthetic. A stylish interior view, showcasing a modern dining area in the foreground with gray chairs and a reflective table. The living space features vibrant floral wallpaper, elegant lighting, and a staircase leading to an upper level. A large artwork, cozy seating, and a fireplace create a warm, inviting atmosphere. The scene is well lit, highlighting the intricate details of the decor and the harmonious color palette throughout the space. This is a dining room that blends modern elegance and vibrant charm. A glass and dark wood or metal table pairs seamlessly with dark gray upholstered chairs, offering style and comfort. Tropical wallpaper with lush foliage, colorful birds, and exotic flowers energizes the space, while a geometric gold chandelier adds a contemporary touch with warm light. The overall aesthetic suggests a stylish and contemporary approach to interior design, blending modern elements with a touch of nature-inspired decor. It is a part of a small bathroom that the walls are covered in teal-colored rectangular tiles arranged in a grid pattern. A gold-framed mirror with modern lighting hangs above a white marble vanity with a gold faucet. A black toilet rests on dark gray stone tiles, and a floral towel decorates a bar on the right wall. The overall impression is of a modern, minimalist bathroom designed with a focus on clean lines and color coordination. It is a wall art of a framed black and white photo of a woman in a white dress, arms outstretched on rocks, adds artistic flair to the hallway's design. Its placement suggests it's meant to be appreciated by those passing through the hallway. The room's design includes sleek furnishings and a warm ambience, creating a contrast to the dramatic scene captured in the artwork. A stylish living room featuring a curved purple sofa adorned with decorative pillows, facing a sleek black coffee table. The room is illuminated by a modern chandelier hanging from a wooden ceiling, while large windows allow natural light to fill the space, showcasing lush greenery outside. A circular wall art hangs above a modern black fireplace with glasses and decor on the mantel, while a patterned rug below completes the elegant design. Now you see a living area that combines a bar area with a seating area that featuring a dark gray-brown, textured wall. Behind the bar, shelves display liquor bottles, while a round dark brown table and 2 lounge chairs with brown leatherette upholstery and geometric metal frames create a modern industrial vibe. The space is well lit with recessed lighting and natural light, featuring high ceilings with dark wood paneling. Open wall spaces reveal glimpses of other rooms or seating areas. A modern living room with a gray sectional sofa, decorative pillows, and a wooden coffee table holding flowers and books. A sleek fireplace beneath a wall-mounted TV adds a cozy focal point. Large glass doors offer a serene outdoor view, while pendant lights hang from the wooden ceiling, adding elegance. A surfboard against the wall enhances the room's relaxed, beachy vibe. This modern living room features a sleek fireplace with a white mantel and black firebox. Above it, a vibrant abstract artwork of colorful lips adds a bold touch to the space. In front of the fireplace, glossy black modular tables with rounded shapes are paired with purple and yellow glass bowls, complementing the artwork and softening the lines. Sheer drapes filter soft light through large windows, while a patterned rug and plush dark sofa enhance the room's contemporary elegance and comfort. A double glass doors lead to an outdoor area, revealing a swimming pool surrounded by greenery and colorful flowers. A cozy living space with a warm fireplace and modern orange ottoman adds to the inviting atmosphere. Natural light filters in through the doors, illuminating the interior and highlighting the outdoor setting.